This freaking sucks, bro. I thought I was gonna have a good freaking day, man. I really did.
Oh, you think darkness is your ally? You merely adopted the dark. I was born in it, molded by it. I didn't see the light until I was already a man. Then it was nothing to me but blinding.
Well, good morning, ladies and gentlemen. We are in Columbia, Missouri. JBS. Just got here, checked in with the nice people over here. This douchebag is parked right here in the middle, just blocking everything. His truck is shut off. Let's go wake him up. Let's go see if he's still there. Like, how does this even make any sense, man? How you doing, man? Can you move it, please? I need it back in dock over here. Right. Like, he just left it right there. Now look at all these open spots. And I need to get into dock 3. There's hardly any weight on here.
Yeah, not much at all, man. You only got like 6 to 8 pallets.
Really?
Yeah.
Hell yeah, man. I like it. Hell yeah. It's my first time picking up here, so
Okay.
hopefully more to come, because I live here in Columbia.
All right.
Yeah,
Well, hopefully you get more to come then.
yeah, same here, man. All right, I appreciate it, brother. Thank you so
sir.
much.
You have a good day.
You
Drive
too.
safe.
663-815. Alrighty, we are loaded. Let's go up here and check out with this gentleman at the security, and we can get the truck in. We have 381 miles from this address to a delivery address, which I did not say where we were going. We are going to Shelbyville, Indiana. Yeah, yes, sir. Kroger, unfortunately, but hey, it is what it is, man. The gate opens inward. So he's gonna check the seal, and then we'll be good to roll on out. Thanks, buddy. I have zero complaints about this place here in Columbia, man. This place is freaking awesome, it really is. Security guard is nice. Shipping dudes are freaking nice. He brought out like armful, like stack of freaking meats. Looks like salami, you know, bologna, whatever. And he's like, here, we got all these for you. I was like, what kind of meat is it, buddy? And unfortunately I couldn't take it, you know. He was, oh, I'm sorry, I didn't know. No, even though I cannot take it, I very much appreciate you, buddy, because I've never, well, one time I've gotten samples, and that was here in Columbia. It wasn't samples, it was like two freaking, you know, 20 packs, 24 packs of like chocolate milk here in Columbia, but, you know, you don't get that very often. So these guys are much appreciated. All right, and their power is back on finally. They're not using generator anymore. That's the same place, if you're wondering what I'm yapping about, that's the same place where I was last week. Dropped the trailer off and they just, He was just sitting there being loaded, protecting the product from going bad because they ran out of power. Yes, sir. Kingdom City, Missouri, ladies and gentlemen. Petrol. That is where we are currently. Getting this good price. Well, it's not the best. $2.80 something, I think, with mud flap. So it's the best from this point to wherever we're going next. So maybe it would be cheaper down in Oklahoma or Texas, but we are not going that way, of course. So we are going back east. Hi.
Good morning.
Let me get a receipt for pump 6, please. Is that Trans Am yours over there? Trans Am?
Oh, yeah.
It's yours?
Yes. How could you tell? It just looked like it. I need one driving that car, huh?
I had 4 of them.
I fucking love the car.
I sold mine, I think like 2 years ago. It was red, just like that, WS6, and but I had like different wheels. I had
Yeah, that one's not a WS6, but it's got the body kit, I guess.
Oh,
on it. But
okay.
it's all right. It's a 5.7.
Yeah,
It's good
that's
enough.
fine.
It's
Hell
good
yeah.
enough for me, right?
yeah.
I love it.
Oh, right there. Look at that freaking car, man. They don't make them like this anymore. She said it's not WS6. It's automatic. Let me check. Yeah, it's not WS6. Still nice. Looks the same. All right. Let's get going. Petrol for the win, man. Petrol and mud flap. I used to fill up right there at that truck stop all the time because my stupid ass was filling up with cash and they had the best cash price here. So I was like, yeah, hold on, buddy. I'm gonna have to go in your lane a little bit because there's big ass potholes, my friend. Which I would not recommend to anybody. Do not fill up with cash. Get the mud flap or a fuel card. You're gonna save a lot more money. We are in Earth City, Missouri, ladies and gentlemen. This road right here is Missouri State Route 370. Yeah, right. All right, now we're in Bridgeton, Missouri, just like that. Interstate 270. Hang on, buddy. Scoot over to the left. Do one more. I don't think we're gonna have too much fun over here, man, in Shelbyville, Indiana. I called one broker to get a load from him from Indiana for tomorrow, and he asked me where I'm delivering. I told him. He's like, "Oh, buddy." I was like, "I only got 6 pallets, man." So. We'll see what happens, man. You never know. It might take a while. It might not take a while. All right. Originally, the load was posted for. It was posted over the weekend, and it says Indiana. I emailed the broker lady. She emails me back, and she says Shelbyville, Tennessee. So I'm like, damn. That's about 100 miles more than Shelbyville, Indiana. But I'm like, I know there's a Walmart distribution center down in Shelbyville. I'm like, why not, you know? Early morning delivery, Walmart, I mean, we'll be done pretty fast, about 2 hours. But then whenever she sends the rate confirmation, it says Indiana, like the posting said, even though she said, what is it? Tennessee in her email. So I was like, okay, yeah, this works. But I think she got confused a little bit, you know what I'm saying? But I don't mind. I would have went either way. Tennessee, Indiana, don't matter. No, sir. You know, this truck has it doesn't have a muffler. It has small resonator down here, right below me, kind of. And it makes the truck a little bit quieter than what it would be if I put just another, you know, straight pipe down there. I thought about putting a straight pipe down there instead of resonator, but that would, in my opinion, that would make it way too loud. I had Freightliner Coronado with the Detroit 60, just like this truck. That's what this truck has. For all you guys who don't know, best engine ever made, in my opinion. And that Coronado was just way too loud, man. If something was wrong with the truck, you know, you can't hear anything over that exhaust. So I'm like, I don't really want to do that on this truck. I still might, but, you know.
There's an object on road ahead.
Object on road ahead? What is it, my lady? What kind of object we talking about, bruh? Is it a landmine? See what it is. Oh, something's burning. Something is burning down here. See what it is. Something up there on the bridge. Oh yeah, like a car. We got a car on fire right there, that orange one. Oh, that sucks, buddy. Come on, explode, motherfucker. I want to catch you on camera, bruh. Oh, damn. Well, something just happened. Something hit the truck. A little bit. Kind of like small rocks or something. Oh, well. Oh, wow. They got the bridge opened up. Both directions? Hell yeah, Illinois. Damn, bro. These guys are not messing around, man. Well, half of the bridge is on Illinois side, half of it is on Missouri side, but I mean, they got this done pretty fast, man. They really did. Dang right, buddy. Dang freaking right. That's how it's done, Illinois. Welcome to Illinois, everyone. Welcome to freaking Illinois. I just said that, lady. Dang, bruh. We're gonna get over here pretty freaking early. Thank God, way before dark. We're gonna find a spot somewhere to shut her down for the night. Get the truck cleaned inside, organize all the tools, because I've been home for about 10 days and I've been working on the truck. Well, not every day, but you know. Okay, go on, buddy. You're good. And yeah, all my tools are kind of a mess. Gonna get everything organized, man, in case we need it again. That way we know where everything is at immediately. Right away, buddy. There's that burgundy Volvo right there, if you can see straight ahead. Highland, Illinois. That is where we are, ladies and gentlemen. Stopped here to take a break and ran into this dude, Tommy, Trucking Unfiltered. All right, let's get going, man. Let's get going. Have a safe trip up there to New York, Tommy. Wouldn't want to be you, buddy. Check. This whole freaking rest area smells like piss, man. Really freaking bad. All right. Let's get going. We don't have much to go, but hey, still want to get there early so I can clean this truck and detail it real nice. Come on. Let's get going, man. It's kind of windy out here. 15 miles an hour wind blowing from the south. So right over here into our right side. All right. Let it down, man. Come here. Come here, man. Come here, man. Now you tell me how safe this is right here. What this guy's doing. Probably doing some kind of inspection, something on the truck, because he has a California license plate. They do that a lot here in Illinois. Like if you have Arizona license plates or like California, you better be careful, buddy. Because they will pull your ass over, because they always think they're gonna score big, you know. Either like some kind of cash transfer for cartel or like drugs, you know. But I mean, you should have just pulled them over on a. They should set up somehow to where they pull drivers over on the exit ramp and not right there, you know. I mean, pull up next to the driver, you know, blare your little siren and pull up in front of him, you know, go up in front of the driver and just wave your hand out the window or something and tell him to follow you to the exit ramp. I mean, common sense, man. Safety for the cop, safety for the driver, you know. But hey, maybe they don't have, maybe their brains are not developed enough for them to figure out, you know, what to do properly. I don't freaking know, man. I believe this revenue collecting center is gonna be closed right here. What is this? St. Elmo, Missouri? Not Missouri, dumbass. Illinois. Let's see what happens. Okay, yeah, we got a green light. I think they're closed. But also Indiana is closed as well. The GPS lady says there's an object in the road ahead. Oh, I think it's just carcass of an animal. Right there. Wow, it's been ground up pretty bad. Can't even tell what it is or what it was. We are in Effingham, Illinois, ladies and gentlemen. 166 miles left till we get to a delivery address. Not too bad, man. Not too freaking bad. Making great time. Well, of course we are, because we don't have a lot of miles to begin with. There's a chrome shop right over here in Effingham, Illinois. I was gonna go look around a little bit, but I'm like, what's the point, man? I'm not gonna buy anything, so I was like, no, let's just keep going. Let's just get there and clean this truck. We are in Marshall, Illinois. Almost to Indiana, ladies and gentlemen. Let's see what kind of fate awaits us over there. Let's see if the road has improved any. In 2016, during Obama administration, they removed a requirement where the non-English speaking drivers would be placed out of service. So if you couldn't speak any English, it was okay, I guess. You could keep moving. You wouldn't be placed out of service. Well, today that is about to change. President Trump is about to put out finally something good. Come on, man. Shit, you've been in the office for like 100 freaking days, man, and you haven't done anything good in my opinion. But anyway, he's about to sign executive order to where non-English speaking drivers will be placed out of service. So if you cannot speak English, out of service, my friend. If you cannot write and read English, I guess, out of service. Which, I mean, it's common freaking sense, man. You can't read freaking road signs or any kind of warning signs. Of course you cannot, you shouldn't be able to drive, man. So finally it's freaking happening. So, all right, hell yeah, let's do some more good stuff, Trump. Come on, man. Don't be a freaking asshole, bro. Interstate 70 through Illinois, man. I can't believe I'm saying this, but I have no complaints, man. I really don't. It's pretty freaking smooth, pretty good. I did put brand new shocks all the way around. Brand new shocks on a truck and brand new shocks on a sleeper. So maybe that's one of the reasons, but I don't know. I guess we'll find out how good of a shocks these are once we get to Indiana. Because that's gonna be a real test. Indiana's doing something here, but I'm not sure what they're trying to do, to be honest with you. It's been a long time since they've been working on here. And the rest area, it's been closed for a long time. I don't know when they're gonna open it. Probably in like 17 years. Alright, now the real test comes for these shocks. Now the real freaking test comes, man. tourist area. We're building something fancy. Why they building something fancy? I don't freaking know. Why not use all that stupid money and expand the parking? I don't think they're gonna do that. But instead, they're trying to build something fancy for some stupid reason. Okay, we're gonna slow down because the speed limit for trucks is 60 miles an hour. So we don't wanna deal with any cops today, man. We don't wanna get pulled over for anything. So let's just keep it where it's supposed to be speed-wise and be safe. For all you guys who did not know, Indiana is one of the few states that has split speed limits. Separate speed limit for semi-trucks, separate speed limit for cars. Alright. Trucks use left lane. Okay, we're gonna wait for this guy to go by, and then we're gonna come over. Alright, man. I'm pretty happy about this executive order that's coming today. Feel bad for all these cocksuckers, but motherfucker, if you're gonna be driving out here, learn some English, man. It's dangerous, man. Also, another executive order that should be included into that is no flip-flop. You know, what if that freaking thing gets stuck under your brake pedal or under your gas pedal? It's kind of dangerous, man. You know, you're trying to step on a brake, your flip-flop slips off, and you know, it's dangerous, man. You know, this guy over here in the right lane with Ontario license plates, he definitely can't read English because he's in the right lane. Your time is coming, motherfucker. All right. You always want to make sure you move over for these assholes. And I pulled over on the shoulder for some reason. Well, he might not be an asshole. Maybe he pulled over for a reason. Maybe he pulled over to take a dookie. I don't freaking know. But better save the story, man. Move over to the left lane. You have no idea how many times I've seen one of these assholes just pull out right into a traffic from dead stop. You're not supposed to do that, man. Start running on shoulder for to at least about 35, 40 miles an hour. Get your left blinker on, and you know, people will slow down. They'll let you over eventually. I mean, don't just turn your freaking truck into moving traffic, dumbass morons. But it happens a lot, man. It really does. Oh, somebody's transporting drugs. U-Haul. Alright, we got some kind of traffic jam up here. Let's get on our four-ways going. The hell is going on, Indiana? Come on, man. Oh, there's a truck that's pulled over on the shoulder. Oh, man. We're gonna pull over down here. Hopefully we can make it to the exit before the traffic jam gets really bad. Because I saw it on the Google Maps, and also there's a sign over here that says all lanes are closed because there's some kind of accident up ahead. So we're gonna shut it down over here, their truck stop, and hang out. I think I should have stopped at one exit earlier because we are coming up a traffic jam right now, but it is what it is, man. Four ways on because we don't want some of these assholes to, you know, back into us or fly into us. I think we got like a mile, maybe two till we get to that exit, but unfortunately here's the traffic jam, so it is what it is, buddy. Alright, looks like some kind of very bad accident going down that way, and I'm glad that we are not stuck down there like those guys are, just because the interstate is shut down. They're rerunning everybody. So we're gonna get off here and go shut down the truck stop, you know, hang out. Are we gonna go to Love's or I don't know, maybe TA? Let's go to TA, man. Yeah, let's go to TA. You can see the cop right there straight ahead in that pickup truck blocking all the traffic from going east. Yeah, so let's go hang out down here. Should have stopped long time ago and just stayed at that truck stop. Not truck stop, I don't know where, but yeah. Oh, all right, do the roar. Is this where we get in? No, this is where the cars go in. Dang it, bro. You freaking Indian or something? I think we're gonna be here for a while, man. There's a truck over there on the interstate. He was on the on-ramp. Cops let him go down so he can back up here. And he can back up the interstate, and then he's gonna come over here on the ramp, on the exit ramp. Man, that freaking sucks. Yeah, dang, well. Looks like the interstate is open. So let's go over there to our delivery. Now where this douche in Cascadia is parking, now the guy from the scale is gonna have a hard time getting out. But hey, it is what it is, man. Oh yeah, interstate is open. Thank God. Thank God for the drone, buddy. Thank God for the freaking drone, man. I think it's open. I don't freaking know. But there's cops coming over here from our right, from behind me right now. Two of them flying down the road. I think there's still gonna be some traffic over here, but I think we should be okay, man. Should have waited a little bit longer. Stupid moron. It's okay, man. I don't want to wait anymore because it's freaking hot. And I didn't bring Miss Jenny with me, so here we are. I don't think this guy's blown tire was the reason for all this shit, but you never know, man. I've seen crazier things. It happened right here. I can see the tracks and everything. Yeah, right here. That's where the accident happened. What happened? I don't freaking know. You leave this space here for safety, and then you have a fucking asshole like this dumbass moron over here. That's a chick. Cocksucker. Trying to pass. Look at this big boy. And he's holding the phone in his hand. How freaking nice. That's right, moron. Get back in. Get back behind me over here.
Close side.
Oh, there's a truck and trailer being towed down here. I think we might be able to catch up with them and see what happened. But the trailer is a pretty big freaking mess, man. There's a truck right there on the flatbed. They had to cut off the sleeper right there on the right. You see it? They cut the sleeper off in half. I mean, they cut it off from the frame and they loaded it on flatbed. So it was fucking bad, man. So you saw it right there on that rest area on ramp. And then we have a trailer down here that's being towed. That is a total freaking mess, man. Right here, I saw a dead body right here. The guy jumped off of this bridge right down here to my left. Like, I don't know, December, I don't know, sometimes late 2018, late 2019, something like that, I don't know. Holy shit, buddy, look at that. Oh man, he's loaded. It looks like this guy from fucking Canada, Ontario. Look at his truck. Look at his fucking truck, man. Holy fucking shit, bro. Yeah, they cut the sleeper off that from the frame. That's how bad it was. That's his trailer. So who else but fucking Indian, you know, on his phone, trucking down the road at 70, 80 miles an hour. And wham, buddy! Ha. Fuck, bro. I hope he's okay. I really do. So it looks like he ran into Stevens. Well, Stevens truck. I think Stevens is out of Oklahoma. Somewhere there's two Stevenses. One is from Texas, one is from Oklahoma. Driving with your phone in your hand.
Use the right.
Oh, shut the hell up, bitch. Driving with your phone in your hand is worse than being drunk. I mean, not if you just hold it, but if you're like texting or like watching something, it is worse and more dangerous than if you were drunk. So don't do it, man. It's not freaking worth it, bro. You can kill yourself. You can kill a family in front of you, you know, like, I don't know, man. What if instead of that semi-truck, what if it was a minivan full of kids? Imagine how bad it would be for that, man. Just imagine that. One of my trucks had to be towed away like that a long time ago, man. I had drivers. Yeah, long time ago, man. Probably like 11 years ago, something like that. Freaking sucks, man. He rolled it over in a curve, you know, he had like 40-some thousand pounds of salt on it. And holding the phone, texting, and there you go, buddy. You're over here in the ditch, and they're inserting a tube in your wiener so you can pee at the hospital. Is it worth it? I don't fucking think so. Is that text message worth your life? Hell no. Or somebody else's? We are on Interstate 74, trucking along east, of course. We got 15 miles until we get to the exit where our delivery is in Shelbyville. There's a Pilot truck stop right there, I believe, and I don't know if they're gonna have any spots available, man. I know I could have been able to find a spot if it wasn't for that big ass accident, but it is what it is, man. We'll do our best. We'll see what's gonna happen. You know, I'm reading these reviews for Kroger, and there's a lot of them that are bad, but there's some of them that are good as well. There's some reviews that say people have been unloaded like 30 hours early or whatnot. So let's go test our luck, man. Since we're already here, so why not, you know? It's only like half a mile up the road. Maybe we can even park overnight over here. You never know, man. Seems like they have some spots. I don't know if they're gonna let us park, but.
In 600 feet, your destination will be on the left.
Must slide and lock tandems to rear while on the lot. Okay. Well, there's some trucks over here, so I really hope they let us park. I really, really do. All right, safety vest. Let's grab that. This guard check is closed. Pull around and park. All right, a sign over here says that the guard shack is closed. So, but there's another guard shack down here. It says park and pull around. No, park and, let's say pull around. No, walk over there. Yeah, we're gonna walk down there. Let's go down here, kiss some ass, and see if they're gonna take us. Sure fucking hope so. It's very tight here. It's very tight here. Gotta make a very wide turn. You're doing it, buddy. You're doing it. Hell yeah, buddy. Turn the paperwork in. She said they're gonna call me whenever they're ready with the door. So, didn't ask anything about appointment. So. Let's see what happens, man. Hoping for the best. But you never know, man. Thank God my phone was dead, man. I have other phone that nobody has, and I use that to check in, you know, so that I can relax, shut this other phone off. And the lady here, I went over there because I see all the trucks going in. So I went over there. I was like, my phone was dead. I just wanted to make sure that you guys didn't try to call me. And she's like, oh, you were the one that I tried calling 4 times. I was like, I'm sorry about that. And she says, you have to come back at midnight. I was like, dang it, can I stay here? She's like, let me go inside and ask the clerk. She goes inside and she's like, never mind, you can stay here. They just gotta wait to get a door and they'll call you. I was like, freaking sweet, man. So everything's working out pretty freaking good right now, man. Thank God. So if my phone was on, she would have got in touch with me and she would have told me to leave. So everything happens for a reason, buddy. Everything freaking happens for a reason. Thank God. Drive to the guard shack. I got a door for you. Hells yeah. Those are the best words in my opinion. Hells yeah. We gotta make very, very wide turns here. We're not gonna be like some of these other rookies. Oh yeah, my friend, wide turns. I lost 5 pairs like this, I swear to God. Thank you. I'll be driving down the interstate and I'll see them flying in my rearview mirror. 5 pairs. What's the procedure? It's my first time here.
Open your doors, break the seal, open your doors.
Okay.
Back up into the door. Somebody will come out and get the paperwork.
Alrighty then. Door 237. The lady said it's gonna be behind the building. So just follow this road to the left and we should be over there. Break the seal, back up to the door. Somebody's gonna come out to get the paperwork. What the hell is going on, man? This place is freaking awesome, bruh. That's why I always say you can never trust the driver's reviews. I mean, you can trust them 10% of the time, but most of the time, hell no, man. A lot of drivers are freaking liars, man. You know, or they might not be liars, but if there's 100 drivers that are delivering here, 10 of them have bad experience. 90% of them have good experience. Those 10% are more likely to go and leave a review than the other drivers. And that's how it works, you know. But it is what it is. But sometimes, you know, I mean, reviews are correct, you know, but most of the times, thank God they're not. And in this instance, they are not, because our appointment is for 5 a.m. tomorrow, and here we are. Like 10 hours early, buddy. Hells yeah, my friend. Hells yeah, my Kroger friend. All right. I appreciate you, my friend. One thing that I don't appreciate is these freaking huge ass potholes right here, man. I still appreciate you, Kroger. I really freaking do, man. Thank you so much. Oh my God. Oh man. Damn. Come on. There you go. Nice and chilly in there, man. Here we are, man. Door 37. So I'm sitting there at that Pilot truck stop, quarter of a mile away from here. And I'm like, why are you here, dumbass? Go up there and try. And I'm like, well, okay, let's go. I check in, and here we are, buddy. Hells yeah, you never know until you try, brother. You never know until you freaking try. How long we gonna be here? Probably not long, but I don't care. Even if we were here all night, at least I have a safe spot to sleep, so I guess we'll see. Whatever happens, happens. I am happy. So we're gonna cut this video right here. Ladies and gentlemen, thank you so much for watching. It is much, much appreciated. I'm gonna go edit some videos and go to sleep. So I will see all of you guys on the next video. Take her easy, stay safe out there, and let's go get this money, man. Hey, is there an office here? No, sorry. You guys left 2 pallets on there, but you guys were supposed to take everything off. Sorry, I was wondering, I'm in door 237. I brought you guys this, I only have 1 stop, and you guys left 2 pallets on there.
No, if you read we only ordered, I can only take what we ordered. We only ordered 740 of that item. You can't overship, we're not gonna take it.
Okay.
So the rest of it was put back on the trailer. We only ordered 57 of that item. The rest was put back on the trailer.
So overages,
Yeah,
so
we can only take what the buyers authorized.
they sent way too much?
Yeah.
Damn.
And they even put it on their invoice too, if you look at it. Well, it shows they said 773, but I can only take what was authorized.
Okay.
So that's why you have stuff put back on your truck.
And there's no way that you guys will take it.
They won't do it.
Okay. All right,
I'm sorry.
it is what it is.
I know it's bad for the drivers, but
Yeah. I'll talk to the broker and figure out what's
yeah,
going
tell
on.
them from now on start shipping only what we order. If they're going to ship more, it's going to go back.
Okay. Okay. All right. Thank you.
Okay.
All right. Let's go count this for the broker lady. Ah, dang it, man. That's all I need right now. Man, this freaking sucks, bro. I thought I was gonna have a good freaking day, man. I really did. I was gonna unload here, go to my pickup, pick that up in the morning and start trucking, but I guess not, man. I mean, those guys shipped too much. There's 2 different kinds of products that were shipped. One has 14 boxes extra, and another one has 29 boxes extra. So I don't know, man. I'm texting the broker lady, and I don't know what's gonna happen from here, to be honest with you. I don't know what I'm gonna do with this stuff. Well, good morning, everyone. We are still here in Shelbyville. There's the Kroger right there behind that tree line. Still waiting. Not sure what's gonna happen, to be honest with you. I had to cancel my other load. I had a load going back to Missouri, but I had to cancel it because this might take all day until we figure out what's going on with this. But I don't know, we'll see. Broker lady seems very nice. I think we might, I don't know, but according to her email, I think we might have to take this stuff back to where we picked it up from. But of course, we're gonna get paid, you know, but I don't know yet. We'll figure it out. We'll find out. She said, hang tight. We're working on it. And, you know, I'm hanging tight right here in a no parking zone. There was like a bunch of other trucks here last night, but nobody bothered us or anything because this place is full and most of the spots here at Pilot are like reserved, paid spots. So ain't nobody got money for that, man. Weather here is perfect for just chilling out in the truck. You don't have to idle it, nothing. Like, as you can see, it's a little bit cloudy. It shouldn't rain too much. We might rain for a couple hours, but it is gonna be windy though. As you can tell by those tree branches. Alright, we're gonna go inside the truck stop, do our thing, and come back, lay down on the bed again. I might move it down to a different spot, I don't know. I don't know, man. I think this stainless steel trailer would look a lot better behind Blue Beast than it is on this Cascadia, but let's go check out these parking spots down here and see if they have any so I can move the truck. No stainless steel for me. No stainless steel. Steer. No stainless steel for me, buddy. It's way too much money. Okay, we can park right next to that truck. And dang, it's raining. One of these at Walmart is $1. That's how much it is here. You see, no more rain. Let's move the truck before we get the boot or something. But I don't think that will happen. If they were gonna boot anybody, they would boot all those other guys that were parked all the way to down here. There was like 3 or 4 rows of trucks right here. The rain came out of nowhere. I don't mind it. It's gonna wash all the pollen off. Pollen. I think we're gonna camp out here, man. Right here on the side. Because we might be here for all freaking day, man. I think we will, but I hope not. You know. But anyway, man, I think I'm gonna end this video here and we'll update. Oh damn! Holy shit! Wait. Oh my god, bro! What's that? You see that? You just moved that barrier. Come on, Mr. Tornado, please do not come! There's some thunder. Not too bad.